Mic check, mic check. Yes, sir, ski. Y'all see where we at with it, man. We finna ride up out of here, man. Let's get it. Sliding with my GSXR friends. All in all, I done hit 1,000 miles. So this 1,000-mile video.
Ways. All I need is family, I'll be okay. I've been hustling for a while now. I'ma keep that shit Thow Wow. Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. I'ma keep that shit Thow Wow.
I ain't even put my gloves on. That boy starting early. Yes, sir. He starting early with the wheelies, man. This ain't no play. Them boys ready to go. Yes, sir. Okay. I need to put my damn glove on. These boys say they own it. Stop playing. These boys think I'm trying to rev at them. Oh man. Hold up. I got one glove. Oh, I'm so grandpa with it. Oh, this is a nice road. I ain't even know nothing about this. Yes, sir, ski. We sliding no hiding tonight, man. So look, man. Hey man, I want to say thank you to you know, God first, because without him ain't none of this possible, man. As y'all can see, man, your boy Mr. 1000, we out here riding with my boy Trey on the blue GSXR 750. That thing looking pretty, man. You see him? Look, hey, he riding them things out for real. Yes, sir, ski. And we got my boy right here. He just cooling. He 3 cool. Okay. That boy riding them things out. Oh my God. Hey, tell them boys to teach me something. Man, tell them boys to teach Swiss how to wheelie. What are they doing? I like this road though. Dang, I'm finna have to come start riding over here. I ain't know nothing about this road. See, that's what's good about riding with other bikers, you know what I'm saying? You gonna find stuff that you wouldn't normally know. I'm trying to get these boys to hold on so I can put my other dang on glove on. I'm sorry, y'all, I ain't trying to be so slow. And get my other glove on, man, so I can actually keep up with the crowd. These boys so cool, man. When I learn how to wheelie, I ain't gonna never be on one wheel, so y'all might well not even teach me for real. Them boys trying to race. Hey, bro. Hey, you trying to slide the Wawa real quick? I left my glove. My Wawa, my glove. Yeah. Yeah. We can? All right. Ooh, that boy rolled past like a bullet for real. Man, that boy sounded like a bullet when he just passed my helmet. That's crazy. But yeah, leave it to me. Swizz the grandpa. Leave the doggone glove at Wawa for real. Got it. Alright, we back again. Sliding with my GSXR friends. Sliding with my GSXR friends. Or something. But yeah, man, tell these boys, teach your boy how to wheelie for real or something, man. That's crazy. Both of them boys wheeling, just straight throwing it up. You can't even hit my bike over there. Yes, sir.
Was it really good?
Yeah, oh yeah, heck yeah. I got both of them. I got all of them. Yeah, you gonna be on YouTube, brother. Yes, sir. All in all, I done hit 1,000 miles, so this 1,000-mile video. Yes, sir. That boy bike sound good. Look at the Tesla trying to get right. Well, ain't nobody worried about you. And we sliding, no hiding, man. Straight up all night, man. Sliding, no hiding. That is so funny to me, bro. It's only funny because I can't wheelie, so I'm, you know, I'm a little salty, man. I feel so trash. Them boys sliding. Oh, I'm trash. I'm gonna catch up on the straightaway. Or not. Man, tell them boys catch up to me, man. They wanna leave me. Now it's y'all trying to catch me. Y'all take this here. Hey, hey, hey. Something. Yeah, man, we sliding right now, no hiding, man. On the way to Yampa real quick, you know nothing. What this is, man? He trying to race bikes? Come on, brother. Hey. Hey, boy. Hey, I'm starting to see how slow I really am, for real. That boy Swizz is not a slider. He's so slow. Them boys came and got little Swizz. Like, hey, they bike sound so good though, man. And he's sliding for real. Bro right here know how to ride. I like it. I love it, actually. And what this is, man, why you following us, brother? I wish this would be a police officer for real. Not for real, but you know. Oh, alright. Oh, he really just wanted to race them. That boy weird. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I ain't gonna lie, I gotta rock with these boys more often, man. These boys is real sliders for real, man. I've been riding like an old grandpa on these videos for y'all. And now y'all see what it look like to really slide for real. Come on, Trey. I'm ready when you is, my boy. These boys getting right. They know how to ride. They know how to slide. I love it. Yeah, third. Yeah, these boys riding, man. Look at the Husky. I'm in another nigga city living room. I don't know where I'm at right now, for real. Yeah, these boys definitely need a YouTube channel, man. I'm gonna have to get these boys right, man. Make them boys get into it, cause they riding way too better than me. Sliding way quicker than me. Something. If you're broke, you need to hit the motivation to get cash. Hey, y'all boys sliding for real. I'm trying to get like y'all, man. Hey, y'all went dumb on what that was, Gandhi? Y'all went dumb. I was like, damn. Yeah. Yeah. Bro, I thought he was trying to. I thought that was the police.
I know,
Yeah. He just wanted to race y'all. I definitely gotta get me a exhaust. That boy put that thing out whenever. Yes, sir. He pull it out whenever. Okay, I see you. Ah! Ah! That bitch screaming. Oh, I like this turn. Nice little leany lean. Something. His bike sound crazy, man. That junk is loud. I don't know if y'all can hear it or not, but boy, it sound crazy. Like, you can't even hear my bike for real. Yeah, man. Y'all let me know what y'all think, man. Y'all like the slide session? This is a little slide session, man, you know. Cause you know, winter on the way, or I guess it's winter right now or something, I don't know. But you know, I just gotta get this content out there for y'all, cause if I don't, when it's too cold, we ain't going nowhere on two wheels, man. So we getting it all out right now. Get the fun out while you can. You know. It's nothing, man. It is such a nice day outside today. Yes, sir. I'm right here. You know, I'm right here with you, my boy. I know I'm quiet, man. Look, he looked back like, man, we left him again. Nah, bro, this bike is super quiet, bro. No kids out. Slower traffic, keep to the right. So that's why I'm on the right of them boys all the time. Oh yeah, he finna fly past me. They bike sound so good, man. That boy don't care what he do to Willie at, man. He gonna do it. Oh, man. I see you, my boy Trey. Oh. That was amazing. Yes, sir. Hey, man, teach me how to Willie, man. Give me your autograph, too, when we get off these bikes. These boys' bikes is super loud for real. Man, I love it.
What's up, my motherfuckers?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, how you doing, man? Shout out Mr. Thow Wow.
Yes, sir, Ski.
Yeah, 750,
My
baby.
boy Fresh, too, man. You see the jams on him?
Baby, you see how it is.
Yes, sir.
These boys too fast, man. I'ma keep up though. I'ma try. They being nice, man. They slowing down for me. I'm gonna have to change my name to Mr. Grandpa. I'm gonna run. I ain't gonna lie, I'm dicking them. But you know they sliding faster than me, so I'm probably gonna get caught. I'm the slowest out of the slider bunch. But yeah, man, it's been a nice little slide session with my boys, man. You know, shout out to them boys for coming out sliding with me, man. I want to say thank you to y'all, man, for sliding with your boys. Mr. Thow Wow, man, you know what time it is, man. Y'all know how I like to end my videos at, man. Listen, if you know something, then you know something. Alright, I'll holler. Peace.
Trouble boy, always in motherfucking trouble boy. I came out the bottom, bet the heights, that shit a jungle boy. Hold your ass up like we done with the lingerie. Police at the door, they looking for me, ma, I'm sorry. Everywhere I go, oh, oh, I get in some shit. Everywhere I go, oh, oh, bitch, I keep a stick. Everywhere I go, oh, oh, I be ignorant. Everywhere I go, oh, oh, I take a nigga, bitch.